say enne amene wo ekase aban ne ban no omatimi apam emmebu no bebre free omadwuma mu over 30,000 young Ghanaian workers and aban we apam mu free omadwuma mu and sa directive we na free Openyi Julius Debra on the chief of staff of the country and at the presidency on the signing sakrata we a directive say every government institution be omumpamu emebuna nanado danko akufado any Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia formu wejumemu enti enye one of the topmost priority achievement aban we omo achieve in the last 1 year and 3 months counting. Enti osem bisamia ade baako a esa omo biggest achievement hardship ewo krom ha prices of goods and services was through to the extent say bibia obeka bia no ye beka $1 or from first no de bi omo ka say petrol aba from but see the minimum so mbesan ka say petrol or from the minimum there but I think say petrol no the former come from rough it's no besi na akoko aban papa ba what is almost slogan no onya kan ese aban papa ba aban papa ayampa aban papa bampa enti say aban papa dia omuman hu so eja na say Ghana no de enka US ni Iran hu enti they are just our neighbors enti eden na bibi cause on mo be ka say we should be worried enti we are not worried because enim say krom ha de bibi ada din. And I think that these are the few things America says so far. No, Omaye ne kama ukrum ha ama yi Ghana ni bia ni aje se nokre mu osi odio hene entro hene John Dramani Mahama wabano wetimi aye ama emebunu no ukrum ha.
Me da se pa na ye ba ho ye bedi nkomo ye pa go asema wo ka say cost of living any cost of goods and service ekosoro right.
Yeah.
And neither do ya man or say. Yen him say Ghana could work for much at the gem. Yen him say teacher for an nurse for much at the gem. Right? Yen him say like a cost about by 28.7%. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay. Yes, answer him say neither the ya no ka say. Sabio say eba say bia wakwa koye adwuma wa fum na watu no bai na opese wo nton kura na ano edene. Akuafo ntumi nton wo no bai bi ti say aburo emo ene na asefo, right?
Maybe I trying.
Yeah. Yen chasem from free. Patrol no. What do you say? Patrol bona akosoro no. Can a yabane na ye insensitive when I'm so am I won't say and I say he could have done something about it. But so open so my video been one this for actually there was say one patrol prices goes up. And so comment and I'll be answer.
Okay, and my video name.
Okay.
Recovery levy.
20. For Papa, we are saying, I am the Minister of Energy today. Sina Emmanuel said, I'm correct on that.
Hi, Minister of Energy and Transition, John Abdullah Jinapo.
Yes. Sabre we are Papa, we are saying, now omu opposition. Sabre Musuno. Now Ukraine, Russia, will cost some patrol, walk or so we are saying, Papa, we got Metro TV on the CEO, the most incompetent CEO of Ghana Cocoa Board in the history of the Republic. Equator Metro TV. Emma Nanado and the then Minister of Energy again said, Omo, never be say never saw 1 year.
In energy sector recovery levy. 20 pesos per liter. These are all taxes that were imposed in this year. This year alone. We had a banter over rates, but eventually all these taxes I've mentioned went through. It culminated in instantly the increment at the pump, fuel pump, by 13%. So you can imagine what the Ghanaian is facing. You can imagine the difficulty that the Ghanaian is facing. On top of that, they have increased the price stabilization and recovery levy by 40%. They've increased the boss margin by 200%.
In 2021?
Yes, they've increased fuel marking 233%. UPPF 164%. So look, it's just a cocktail and a multiplicity of taxes burdening the Ghanaian. That is the stark reality that we are facing as a country. That is the stark reality. And so we thought that with all these issues, we would have been getting to a certain level. We thought that at least we would have gotten somewhere. And that's the problem with the MPP. They see the thing, that is the truth, they know that is the truth, and yet they think that they can explain their way around it.
Okay, senior, we Abuja po no can say patron ne bona akosoro no taxes bi wo so ye de two taxes bi no mo so I was say aban no nka ontiti free but aban ni tim edrent no wanye say NDC for at the price way bacho NDC for the price emphasis Ghana Patrol company na hwana omo amotonton patrol e de omo bo aba a bibia che say patrol no bo ekosoro enam and tokwa asie ewo Iran and Israel for montam. Sana I happen mo Ghana bra na Ukraine Russia koma patrol work osoro. Sa bre no mo no asem we so and John Mahama kaye. Yentie video we na wa ma comment bra. Yentie.
Ukraine Russia war. Na Ukraine Russia omo ko a efa ya Ghana for efa ye ho ben. Yeah, it's your baby. Ukraine Russia war. What's not play mu now? Cause we call Ukraine. Who fi Accra 7,000 kilometers and san wa kodru. No more come on tokwa. Then say yisikasem. Na Cote d'Ivoire son kasem. Say Russia Ukraine no more come. And so
a few moments later,
Ghana is not immune from the shocks of global events. Recent events in the Middle East, which involve an exchange of missiles between Israel and Iran, have started to escalate crude oil prices dramatically. I've asked our Minister of Finance and Minister of Energy to keep a close eye on the development and model the possible impacts on our petroleum prices.
Okay, Mr. Emmanuel, but I happen
Yes,
to asem way and NDC for a kaya. We take our home and the way.
I won't say they be a meme kase nyankupo empe bone. And na sebi we ase na ye wono o say yen hwe ye kasa yen ye careful e won nsema ye keka because unim nia ebesi ochina na menim pan say His Excellency and the NDC omonim say sa US Israel Iran war we besi anka menye sure said they would have made such commentaries. There be anka make those comments no. But as I say enim guasi aka omo no. Also omunye bibia to make sure say Ghanaians see them as credible. But sabi yembisa so man penyi to me bisa say na Russia and Ukraine there it is over 7,000 kilometers away from us. And Iran I know over 9,000 Canada. Now ukotie the current energy minister no ranking member of the energy committee also because of desperation to come to power into also or say that the subsidies be and I say the taxes be na aka prices new antina prices now cost run and yes would that be fair to say
Yes.
And in some of the I do also. In some of the also, but baby, I ain't no moment who say I didn't know. Media meaning pass a Ghana the enka Ukraine home.
Okay.
Ghana the enka Iran home. Because bomb no more to no a be enyambe do Ghana ye.
Daddy.
Nti baby air cost so war amanonie ewo Iran ni USA. Na Ghana the ye din started with Jin.
Yeah.
And Iran started with I.
Yeah.
US started with you. They are just close to us, but they are never part of us. Nti Emma and Humbian Kaye because Oman Penina Maye who said she ain't see Ghana. Sami Genvi can say Markesia Casio Krumha just to make another albino at the time look very bad. And then I can't know to move. Until kasa because the words are all usually no is hunting him at the moment.
Yeah.
And for me, the Obi Sami Ameka say US, Israel, Iran war no. Ghana de yenka oma ebe affect you because ye no ye were reserve of fuel bebre ye wo hono.
Hey. Now price is so
Yeah. Okay.
Price no so fuel price no so sro na echo bra.
Oh, price na de sen kon ni mo say beko. And some of them train Ghana, they can't wait for Ghana. Say Ghana and come home. Until corner and beko ni. And then I mean can say asset. And then no Osha global price now it's a little above 103 US dollars.
Wow.
And the empire bonus say yenya no ma be affect you no. Ye bompa my war no say bejai. Then yes apa dia. What a Chini Beka say BB Besi BB Besi. Intimate. Brony Becca say, and I said, the Becca say, aren't got nothing to talk about this. You know what? We got to relax and wait and see what happened.
Time will tell.
Intimate ammunition. Party I see a time will tell. To see the initial Becca. The Niato, Ochodian Ponyanko Poso. Until on the part of Israel, US war not there. Those are the few things that makes me account for now.
Okay. There's a Ghana for Pioneer was saying more. Yeah, bomb pioneer ntokwa we koswa and name pony yadru.
Oh, the Ghana for we are immune to sa ntokwa kosu.
Okay, there's a Ghana for the your Mahama chichiri and boy a home Iran is
your Mahama Ghana or hono. Nti Mahama Ghana de. Shoyen si waha.
I see.
Okay.
Obanyansa for you gonna be like Canasam, Medase, any your point on this. Yamko next topic. But you also kai papa we ye. So who know?
Obolo.
Yeah, Obolo.
Mekana pa okasa dodo.
Okay. Or see
Onye jume bia or the DSTV redaction at the government policy wo krom ha de bia na odigi nene. My juma e de amana krom timi nye.
Listen, the sector honanka so no tiase the oil no.
Oh, on juma na se oti wase e be sim registration.
In fact, post media to hoy or say this will be the first time in Ghana's history that we will have a proper biometric SIM re-registration. Now, asem we answer back a safa no. The person move video we chiro.
Okay.
Eti bra utia papa we wo opposition or see re-registration of SIM card there. They will not go do